Right.
We have some rain coming our way.
Yeah, especially as we go through tomorrow, then again into the weekend. We'll be watching out for some heavier rain at times by Saturday. Now, this is the view over downtown Fort Worth right now. Mostly cloudy skies. We're seeing some patchy areas of fog. You'll see the hourly forecast here. We're mainly tracking temperatures in the 70s and eventually into the mid-80s this afternoon under mostly cloudy skies. I can't rule out a shower southwest of the Metroplex, but more showers and storms moving in for tomorrow. We'll talk about it right now. Look at the forecast here. Your headlines: a weather alert for tomorrow. Strong to severe storms are possible. More widespread rain and storms going into your Saturday, early Sunday morning, then cooler weather into the weekend. There's a weather alert for tomorrow. We're tracking large hail and damaging winds with a cold front that will be in the area, along with the dry line. And look at this, already a level 2 risk of most of our area being under at least that threat for severe weather, including the Metroplex. This will most likely happen tomorrow afternoon after 3. We've got to watch out for the cap that typically puts a lid on storm development early, but we think the clouds will erode a bit, and with the heating of the day, we'll probably see some showers and storms developing. So here's a forecast a bit closer to about 4 o'clock. You'll see an update with our forecast model. Still on track here toward 4 o'clock. Thunderstorms starting to develop from the west, and they'll likely move east, producing some heavy rain at times. That's going to be along and east of 35, right over Collin County, right toward Dallas County, Denton County, parts of Tarrant County. There goes Johnson County, Somerville County, toward Erath County and Hood County. Those storms will continue to push east as we head toward 8, 9 o'clock, wrapping up closer to 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, and then we have to track what we're expecting for the weekend. We're tracking a cold front moving in from the north, and that means as it settles farther to the south on Saturday, that Saturday evening there's going to be some heavier rain at times, and yes, some cooler weather with it. If you have outdoor plans for the weekend, let's start thinking about a backup plan. You'll see what we're tracking toward at least Sunday midday. Some areas could see between 1 and 2 inches of rain, some areas a little bit higher than that. So remember, turn around, don't drown. The first alert 7-day forecast. Temperatures tomorrow near 90 degrees, 70s on Friday, mid-60s Saturday, low 60s Sunday, back in the low 70s for Monday.